I'm now going to show you how to make one of the most popular swords, especially for boys, and that is a pirate sword. For this, I'm going to leave about one finger uninflated. Then from the tying end, I'm going to make a 2-finger bubble. I'm going to give that an ear twist. Keep a hold of this balloon with this hand. I'm now going to make a 5-finger bubble, and I'm going to give it a lock twist. Okay, now I'm going to take the other end of the balloon and I'm going to put it through this loop, and then you just need to determine how big you want the handle. And any excess that you have, just give it a squeeze. Any of the balloon uninflated, but there isn't really any uninflated on this one. And there you have a very basic but popular pirate sword. Thank you for watching.